there, this is Sugar Coater. Have you ever seen the anime Horimiya? This is an adorable anime show that has a character who works in his family's bakery, which sells Japanese cheesecakes. So here's my first attempt at making it. Add milk, cream cheese, and butter to a small pot and cook it over low heat until the mixture is smooth. Then, combine the mixture with the egg yolks in a bowl. Add flour and continue mixing until the batter comes together, and then put it aside. Combine egg whites and sugar in a mixing bowl. Mix it at high speed until stiff peaks form. Next, combine the egg white mixture with the other ingredients until just combined. In a baking dish, place a cake pan lined with parchment paper. Pour the batter into the cake pan. Fill the baking dish with hot water until it reaches halfway up the cake pan. Bake the Japanese cheesecake for 25 minutes at 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Then reduce the heat to 285 degrees Fahrenheit and bake it for another 55 minutes until the cake doubles in the height. And then last but not least, enjoy the Japanese cheesecake after it has cooled completely. If you enjoyed this video, please tell others about it, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you for watching and have a sweet day.